Hi guys, welcome back to me, David, and in this video we are going to be talking about Premiere Pro. We're going to be looking at a really quick fix to make the music bed, your audio track, fit the length of your video. Maybe it's something you didn't know about, and I'm going to show you in this video how simple and quick it is to use. So if you haven't got subscribed yet and that sounds like your sort of thing, now's a great time to do it. You know, where Adobe really wins out is in the way they help you repair things and fix things. Sometimes that's with bad audio that can be fixed in Adobe Audition. And in this instance, it's when you're looking for the perfect music bed. You spend hours and hours and hours looking for that wonderful piece of music that goes with your video and accompanies it perfectly. It tells the right story, but it's just too short. Now, in the past, and I've been there, in the past, that would have been hours and hours of cutting, finding a good edit point, rejoining, moving it together, and then doing the whole thing time and time and time and time again. You get the idea. It used to go on and on and on. Well, now, because of AI, which is getting better and better with each release of all of the Adobe products, it is so super simple to do with something that they call Remix. Remix is actually something I first came across inside of Adobe Audition. And it's when I was back on radio. I don't know if I mentioned to you, but I used to do live radio 3 times a week. And if I had to hit an ad break or top of the hour and there was a track that was a fraction too long, what I used to do is use this Adobe Remix feature in the production of the show and make sure that the audio was cut and mixed the exact length I needed to hit those breaks. And now that same feature is also available in Premiere Pro, which means that when I'm editing a video together, I can do all of the edits, all of the cuts, knowing at the back end of it, I can go and find a track, and no matter what length that track is, I can make it the same length as my video and match it exactly. It is such a get out of jail card. So I think it's probably about time that we show you how that works. Remixing audio in Premiere Pro is simple, quick, and fun. I still love doing it to this day. It's a dream come true, it really is. So I'm just gonna drag in a music bed here. There are 2 ways that I know of to remix really quickly inside of Premiere Pro, and I'm gonna show you the first of those now. Highlight your music track, go over to your remix tools, long press, and make sure you've got the remix tool selected. And the first thing you do, believe it or not, is just drag it out. We're done, that's it. That's all there is to it. All of those little white lines you can see there, they are remixes. And I'll play you some of those before we finish as well. But as I mentioned, there is also one other way, an even more accurate way of making sure that your music is the right length. Check out the length of your video, which is 11:15. And then with the music track highlighted, go over to Essential Sound. If that's not open on your workspace, make sure you go to Window and go to Essential Sound and check it. Once that's open, go to Music, and then tick off duration, and it's this box here we are interested in, the target duration. If you make it the length of your video, which we know is 11:15, it will do, believe it or not, the magic for us in the flash of an eye. Boom, there you go. The work is done. It's honestly as simple as that. I'm just going to let you hear just how good some of these remixes are as well. What I'm going to do is just make sure the volume is matched properly. I don't know if you do this or not, but something I always do is hit auto match when I bring in any new music, and it will make sure it's the right loudness for your project. You can see now it's at -23 LUFS. And if you just listen to some of these edits, you will not be able to detect where the cuts have been made. I promise you, they are that good. I couldn't. It's as good as that. It's as good as that. Simple, quick, fun, efficient. It's a dream come true, it really is. And I suggest you use it in your projects. It's something once you've used once, you'll be using all of the time. So don't forget there are 2 ways of doing it, by just hitting the remix tool over there in your tools panel, or by having the music track selected, going over to Essential Sound, clicking on duration, and making sure that target duration there is the length of your video. The rest of the night's yours. So guys, let me know in the comments, is the remix tool something that you used to use in Premiere Pro before? Maybe you've used it in Audition, I don't know, but let me know. I think it's a wonderful feature. As I say, it's got me out of so many close corners where I needed just to get the music to a perfect length, and rather than start the search again for a track to match my video. It is a brilliant feature, and that's just part of why I love using Adobe. They make it so easy just to get the job done, just to make things work. So if you've enjoyed this video, I tell you what would help me out is if you give it a like. That really does help me and the channel out. And don't forget to get subscribed as well. And if you've enjoyed this video, hang around for just a few minutes more, because there's going to be an end card coming up that you can click to watch how to use sidechaining in Adobe Audition. It really isn't all that scary. I hope this video has been useful to you, and we'll be back again real soon. Take care, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.